These bushes around here with those little red things coming up that are turning into leaves. Definitely are turning into leaves, see? I don't understand why there's green leaves and then these, they're exciting. I mean, they're unusual looking when the red ones come out. We shall see what happens. On this bush over here, see, the red ones are overtaking the green ones. But okay, that's a, okay. And then I wanted to show you on this right here. So we're going to have some kind of flowering going on. Oh, my shadow gets in the way. Oh, here's some more. You ready to go for a dive? Let's see what's in here. Anything in here? Any bugs? Any spiders? Anyway, a little extra to spring this year. And since I have the camera on, let's go. Oh man, I got one eye that works. It is so strange to take a step off a curb when you got eyes like this. Okay, good. It's okay. So let's go down here. I'll show you this other one. Because what it looks like here, right here, can you see? Here's the original hedge, as you can see. And here's what's coming up. It's cute, it's pretty. So that's what happens when you get a lot of rain. Stuff comes up that you know, forgot was here, or it germinates from years ago, or seeds get scattered. Okay, you ready for a dive? Let's do it. What does it look like? Oh, hey, while we're up, this other bush on top is budding out. Ah, wonderful. Very nice. Okay, you guys, you have a nice day.